Okay, so what's up, everyone? Yep, I'm back. I'm back at it, boy. So today's plan it is to get on a rooftop. But before all of that, pause this video, subscribe with the bell icon turned on, like this video and share it to others who like adventures. Why? Because I want to make urbexing, like urban exploration, popular, like even more famous and everything like that, I guess. So I'm in the middle of a road, alone, no cars, no nothing, no one. Okay, the first car, never mind. So today's plan is, first I go in a shop to get myself a tea to hydrate myself, and then go directly to the building. Yeah, why not? Get on the rooftop, take some sick photos, dream shots, everything. So yeah, let's go. Shit. Okay, so got two of them. Nice. Yeah, never mind. Okay, so let's see how successful this will be. Stupid. Yeah, whatever. Okay, so got out. So yeah, and now just going straight ahead. Yeah, let me take off my dumbass mask, of course, and yeah, see you near there. What can I say, right? So yeah, let's go. Honestly, this was the longest ever walk. 1 hour and 30 minutes. What the hell, man? So these are the buildings. I mean, I'm in. Holy. I'm in. Inside the building. And I got past security. Like, for real. Oh yeah. Talk silently. Because I don't know what to expect. Okay, so I think like tomorrow all the windows will be, all the window structure will be covered, so there's no chance to get in anymore. Let me search for that. Way to the rooftop. Holy shit. Holy. Yo. Yes. There we go. luxury life. What do you want? Wow, I make my 6 shots, holy moly. Yo. And also, there's structure left. No problem. Man, adrenaline. When you get past the security, that's kinda sauce, you know? It's so good to accomplish yourself. Let's go. Okay, so let me get ready to drink something because I'm dry, like holy moly. Okay, let's go. Wow, this is fabulous. Wow, awesome, mate. Awesome. What an accomplishment, man. Wow, it's cold. Sheesh. There's also rainfall. You can't see it. Sorry for that. There's also rainfall. Yeah, boy. Sorry if I burp, but like I need to burp. There are some people training at the football stadium. Don't know if I want about the but I will get spotted easily. This is take my bag and put it somewhere, and I think, yep, I have access to the rooftop. But first, let me eat, okay? So yeah. Okay, so I wanna get on the rooftop and eat like that. Nice. And also this little airplane. And yes, let's get it. Let's go, mate. Let's go. Awesome. Just were some, I don't know, there are 3 buildings. The other one, like that way, there's a security or 2 guys, don't know, 2 security guys. So I will have to shop, you know, and appreciate the height. Cheese balls, boy. The best ever to eat on a rooftop, I guess. And to drink, Tuesday, or yeah, Tuesday. So, I guess, yeah, I will get more sick shots, dream shots, everything. I will also climb up, maybe, not sure. Okay, I hope I didn't get spotted. Okay, never mind. Let's go. What's the plan now? Well, I'm now searching for uh, for an entry to another building, like the other one. There are closed rooms, you know. Don't know if I was there. Here, yes, I was. Dang it. Don't know where to enter there. Yeah, so I cannot there either. Can't either. I don't know what was that. Kinda sketchy. Kinda sketchy, or really sketchy. Okay, that was a car. Okay, nice. No problems, mate. Don't know. Okay, I may go down. And oh shit, I gotta do that. Sadly. Yes, so I will eat in a closed room, have drink, feel good, and then go home. What can I say? Okay, so the adrenaline starts right now. Okay, so let me search for an entry. So, meanwhile, I just say hello to a couple, whatever, and then I saw the security, which scares me like shit. Don't know where he is, but I think I gotta escape today. Shit, I'm not ready at all. Please, you hear them? I don't know. Let me see. Maybe I have to compromise with this couple. Okay. I don't know. Someone disappeared, but I'm scared. That's shit, man. I feel that it's for me, not for the couple. Okay, so I think I found my room. Maybe, but I want a room with a balcony, like that one. Say, like yeah. I cannot get in there in those rooms, sadly. So I will go and save this room for myself, or maybe this, whatever. I just wanna eat because I'm hungry. Shit. Or I'm simply gonna get on the roof of the roof, you know. But like if the security is following me. It's raining. No. Dang it. Oh shit. Okay, never mind. I will find myself a room. Like, yeah. You know. Okay. Well, I think this one's alright. No one hears what I'm saying, because I'm far away from the staircase. But this one could also be a trap. But let's see. If this opens, then I'm really good. Sheesh, might. Okay, so I think this whole building, this whole level is mine. So I can do whatever I want here. But I mostly prefer the other one, the messy one. Why? Because I can build things. Also, I haven't checked this one. I can also see security. If it's coming to my building, well, there's a high chance of messed up, you know. But yep, this room is mine. Yeah, boy. Okay, so find my room. Okay, nice. So, and I also have balcony. Yeah, nice. So people, welcome to the Urbex luxury. Shit. 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 I think. Oh, nah, man. That's not for me. Okay, it's not. I saw a person behind, like, I think a baby girl, whatever. Okay, so this room is mine. Let's go, guys. I'll go up there to it, maybe. Well, yeah. Oh shit. Yep. This is my room, my level, my everything. But it's raining. Okay, so let me get some six shots. Six shots. So yeah, guys, back at it soon. Oh, I feel that. That's one for me. Okay, that's not for me. It's an ambulance. Sheesh, I was scared, man. Okay, nice. Yeah, that's pretty much. I will get in the room to eat there, to enjoy it more. Let's go, let's get it. Let me get a nice photo from there. Okay, nice. Oh, shit. And this is Urbex. Urbex, a really good urbexing place. You see those community buildings? Not all of them, but many have don't have doors, you know, to stop you from getting on the rooftop. So you can get on the rooftop, like basically, yeah. Okay, let me get in the building, cause it's cold, it's freezing, and I have nothing on myself. Yeah, let's go. I feel good. Change the room. Changing it always. Where did I put my bag? Oh, there. Sorry. There. Okay, I'm right. Oh man, sorry for the light. I'm so sorry. And I'm actually in a viewpoint or whatever. If this would be a skyscraper to get on the top of it, you know, the last floor, then I would scream and no one hears me. Why? Because there's so much phonetic whatever isolation, or I think it's in Romanian izolare fonetică, whatever. So I don't know why I come here always. I felt better up there on the roof because I have more. Uh, I have 118 degrees view. So yeah, I think I can go up and then go home. Yup. That's how I'll do. Well, this building will be awesome. Can't wait to come here again and see everything placed on the floor, but it will be impossible because I cannot enter, you know, and I cannot enter the roof either. Why? Because you gotta go upstairs. I cannot show you. Like there's a room, like a balcony, right there, where you can go up. But that's also someone's house, apartment. Sorry, you know. Okay, so wow, so much phonetic isolation. Wow, you can't hear any reverb. And let's go upstairs again. I hope it's not raining because I cannot see. Okay, so let's go upstairs and I will drink my tea, my everything, and head home because in an hour and 30 minutes I have something on Discord. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so drinking my tea. Yep. And sadly I gotta hurry because if you can see, rain is incoming. So yeah, sadly I gotta move. I think I will leave this. Yeah, whatever. First, what I'm gonna do is I will post on Urbex Turgumuresh. So I will leave the Instagram there. It's a community server of Urbexers here in Turgumuresh. Shit. Shit. Alarm or something. Don't know what was that. What was that? I hope it was a school, but that doesn't seem to be a school. Shit. That's an alarm. Okay. Well, bye-bye. Buildings. Staircases. Because it's one building. Shit, I can't escape right now. I'm dead. I'm literally dead. rest in peace. Posting on Urbex Turgomores. Yeah, whatever. I think I'm gonna head to a friend right now and then I'll go home. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap it up and I will see you on the next one. So yeah, feel free. And also an announcement, short announcement. This Urbex Turgomores, if you live in Turgomores, or you send either whatever, you send me an image and I will post it, or use the hashtag UrbexTGM and you will get a promo for free, and we'll post your photo on Urbex Turgomores. So yeah guys, I'm gonna wrap it up with this. Have a nice day, night, whatever, and I'll see ya on the next one. Peace, feel free.